On this episode of Fishing with Bubba, we're going to go right back out to where we filmed our last show, and we're going to attempt it again, another big alligator gar on a rattle trap. And lo and behold, if it didn't happen again, we hooked up and this fish drug us around the lake. I guess you could say towed us around the lake for every bit of 30 minutes. I'm going to have fun editing this one. Well, anyway, here we go. Let me know what you think. Another big one in the kayak on a Bill Lewis rattle trap. All right, I did it again. I'm hooked up on another alligator gar on a rattle trap. No. Man, I get tired. Okay, so we're hooked up on another biggin. What do we do now? Well, that's the question. I get in the situation where I do not know what to do next. And eventually we get it worked out and I get the fish up. I get some help down. They take me some pictures and help me video a little bit and we get it turned back loose. Big fish. I don't know if y'all can see it. Woo.
Hey, we're videoing.
Okay, I want to try and get in the boat. I finally got some help to come down here and work the camera for me, but I want to get in the boat and try to take some cool pictures with this fish and let him video it. This fish put up one heck of a fight, and it was the hardest fighting fish I've ever had. Y'all see, it took me all over the place. It's only probably about 150-pound fish. Weighs as much as I do. All right there. Texas alligator gar on a rattle trap again. Part 2. What a beast. Man, only in Texas can you come and catch something like this. Well, I'll tell you what, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this. I'm gonna turn her loose, but I'm tired of her.